Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Akash Test Series Medical 2020. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 6, code C and D in zoology. So let's get started with our very first question. Question number 136. An animal is neither diploblastic nor triploblastic, has cell aggregate body plan and exhibits internal fertilization. The central cavity present in such type of animal is known as, and the options are eucoelom, pseudocoelom, paragastric cavity and gastrovascular cavity. And we know that all the given characteristics in this question are shown by sponges, which belongs to the phylum Porifera. They are neither diploblastic nor triploblastic, and they have cell aggregate body plan and exhibit internal fertilization. And the central cavity in such type of animals or in sponges is option number 3, that is paragastric cavity. So paragastric cavity is the correct answer to our question. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option given is eucoelom, and this is an incorrect option because eucoelom is the central cavity present in true eucoelomates such as arthropods and annelids, etc. The next option is pseudocoelom, and this is an incorrect option. Pseudocoelom is the central cavity present in Eschy helminths. The last option is gastrovascular cavity, and this is an incorrect option. Gastrovascular cavity is present in coelentrates. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 137. The body of an animal X is divided into a number of segments during embryonic development. But in adult stage, this segmentation is not seen except in certain internal body parts. The animal X is likely to be, options are Homo sapiens, Periplaneta americana, Ferritima posthuma and Taenia solium. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, Homo sapiens. Because Homo sapiens are chordates and they exhibit internal segmentation or metamerism in certain body parts. Let's discuss rest of the options. The next option is Periplaneta americana, and this is an incorrect option. This is commonly known as cockroach. It belongs to the phylum Arthropoda and exhibits external fertilization. The next option is Ferritima posthuma, and this is an incorrect option. Ferritima posthuma is commonly known as earthworm, and it belongs to the phylum Annelida and exhibits both in internal and external segmentation. The last option is Taenia solium, and this is an incorrect option. Taenia solium belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes and it exhibits pseudo-segmentation. Pseudo-segmentation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 138. Select the correct option with respect to animal, its body symmetry and level of body organization. And the very first option is name of animal Cypha, body symmetry in adult radial, level of organization protoplasmic level. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Because Cypha, which belongs to the phylum Porifera, the level of organization is not protoplasmic level but cellular level of organization. Sponges such as Cypha. Next match given is Obelia, body symmetry biradial and organ level of organization. And this is an incorrect option because Obelia, which belongs to the phylum Coelentrata, exhibits radial symmetry and tissue grade organization and not biradial symmetry, and the level of organization is not organ level but it exhibits radial symmetry. The next match given is cockroach, bilateral symmetry and tissue grade organization, and this is an incorrect option because cockroach, which belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, exhibits bilateral symmetry but exhibits organ system level of organization in cockroach. The last option given is apple snail, asymmetry, and organ system grade. And as it is a correct match, so this is a correct answer to our question. Apple snail belongs to the phylum Mollusca, and adult apple snail or adult snails, they are asymmetrical due to torsion. Although in larval stages they are bilaterally symmetrical, but in adult snails they are asymmetrical because of torsion. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 139. Cnidarians exhibit two types of body forms, that is asexually reproducing polyp form and sexually reproducing form medusa. This phenomena is known as, and the options are metastasis, metamorphosis, metagenesis, and morpholexis. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, metagenesis. Because cnidarians which exhibits these two type of body forms, that is polyp and medusa, they exhibit alternation of generation. And this phenomena of exhibiting these two types of body forms is known as metagenesis. So the correct answer is metagenesis. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option is metastasis, and this is an incorrect option. Metastasis is spread of cancer. The next option is metamorphosis, and this is an incorrect option. Metamorphosis is the development of larval stage into adult stage. And the last option is morpholexis, and this is an incorrect option. Morpholexis is the process of regeneration of specific tissues which has been lost. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 140. Select the correct match of animals with their common names. And the very first match given is Euspongia, and the match is freshwater sponge. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because Euspongia is commonly known as bath sponge. The next match is Meandrina, and the match given is sea anemone. And as it is an incorrect option, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because Meandrina is commonly known as brain coral. It belongs to the phylum Coelenterata. The next option is Fasciola, and the match is tapeworm. And this is an incorrect option, because Fasciola, which is commonly known as liver fluke, belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes. The last match given is Ancylostoma, and the match is hookworm. And as it is a correct match, so this is a correct answer to our question. Ancylostoma, which is commonly known as hookworm, belongs to the phylum Eschyhelminthes. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.